Now Bria's going to show us how to do the spinning top. So what's the first thing we do, Bria? We have to do this part right. We have to do that part first. Then what do you do? And now, uh-oh.
Are you going to take a video?
I'm doing the video. Gotta find the secret button. You found it! And it's spinning round and round and round.
Let me see.
Okay, well, we're going to finish let it spinning. We're going to come over here and see, there it is spinning. It's wobbling, so what does that mean? It's getting ready to stop. There we go.
It's right there.
Okay. You do it again?
Yeah.
All right.
Hey.
Yeah, you forgot that. There you go. You found it first, didn't you?
Let me see it.
Okay. I'll bring it over here so you can see. Spinning round and round. What do you think about that?
It's right there.
There, it's right there. Put your hand back over there. We can see your hand. There's Bria's finger. Her finger with the boo-boo on it. It's still spinning. Look at that. See? Amazing. What do you think?